Okay, what is your name?
My name is Eishal.
Ishal, you come to this side. Yes, okay. No, little bit. No, you go too much. Yes, here you are right. Okay, attention please. Oh, very good. And now salute. Oh, very good. MashaAllah. Down please. Okay, now tell me. Is that the question?
No, sir.
Read.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is your mother name
My mother name is Eishal.
and father name?
My father name is Afzal.
Afzal. Okay, now tell me please. Okay. Have you pencil?
No.
Oh no, not this time. Okay. Do you need pencil?
No.
No need. Why? You have in your bag?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, now that's. What is your country name, please?
My country name Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Zindabad.
Zindabad. Very good. Okay. How many siblings you have? How many siblings you have?
Means 5
Five?
brother,
Yeah.
2 sister.
Okay, very good. Okay, now tell me who is the last prophet?
Hazrat Muhammad is the last prophet.
Okay, now tell me please. Who created you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Allah created
Everyone. Okay. Okay, now tell me, what is your religion, please?
my religion is Islam.
Islam. And what is your father?
My father is doctor.
Doctor. Oh, very good. Mashallah. Are you feeling better today?
Yes, I am feeling very good.
Very good. Oh, because you got 100% number. Huh? Okay, now salute and go. Very good. Thank you very much. क्या नाम था